Hi, I'm Dante, and this is the Dante Report. Today, we are unboxing... All right. It's always better opening a package when you can like grunt at the same time. All right. Ooh. Now let's see. Everything is packed in here really nice and tight. Now I can tell one thing's for sure. This is a bath bomb. Ooh, it smells so good. It's full spectrum, all natural bath bomb, was specifically formulated to deliver serene and tranquil experience. So get into that, all right? It looks like it's from Crystal Creeks, our good friends down in Tallahassee, Florida, in the Sunshine State. All right, let's get on with Senator. I really love Crystal Creeks because they're so progressive. They go the extra mile to make sure that their packaging is eco-friendly and everything else that they're using is something that is going to progress the world. That said, we've got some CBD Blue Raspberry Ring Gummies. They're 500 milligrams. This is really cool, all right? Take a look at that. Let's put this here. Got another set of gummies, and they smell really good. Fruit slices, CBD gummies, 500 milligrams, all right? This whole thing is 500 milligrams. I love that, all right? Thank you so much, Crystal Creeks. Let's see. And we've got another bath bomb. Oh my God. This one is blue, as you can see. Oh my God, I cannot wait to use that. Oh my God, let's see. This one is for focus, energy and clarity. And the other one was for soothing, and alleviates and it restores. This one is actually also 60 milligrams, all right? Let's go in here. And here we have Blue Indica Skittles, all right? These are dabs. Now, I know for sure that these dabs are really, really delicious. I don't have a dab rig here, so we won't be able to sample them, but take my word for it. And my producers. We've got another dab here. This one is grapefruit remoulade. That's a hybrid. Get into it. All right. And what else? My new friend, Cartridges. So they've upgraded the tips, actually. Excuse me. They've upgraded the tips of the cartridges. So now the tips of the cartridges are ceramic, which is really great. I first got a Delta-8 Forbidden Fruit Indica. All right. And then we've got a Blue Dream Sativa, and these are all Delta-8. And then over here we have a Cannatonic Indica. I have never heard of Cannatonic, so I'm a little excited. And lastly, but certainly not least, we have the Runts CBD Hybrid. And this is really, really nice, okay? Take a look at that, get into that. This is the one cartridge that we have that is not Delta-8, but don't worry. Now, I'm sure you're wondering what exactly Delta-8 is because, well, what is Delta-8? Delta-8 is actually a cannabinoid that is really, really beneficial for people who are being treated for cancer, HIV, and AIDS. If you're dealing with different types of nausea, vomiting, and things like that, this is really where you want to go. You want to find Delta-8 products. Me personally, I have not struggled with cancer. I'm not a survivor. However, I have had a number of close family members suffer, and I would just, you know, the idea that I could alleviate some of their pain really, really, it comforts me. So this is something that I'm really excited that is available with Crystal Creek Organics. And again, going back to the packaging, I love the color selection. It's lab tested, Mother Nature approved, and we've got a lot of other information here. And of course, like always, there's a QR code right here if you'd like any other information. Now, moving on, I'm gonna take a look at these dabs. I'm so mad that I'm not able to actually try these dabs. A CBD dab, that sounds so great. Now, grapefruit remoulade, it's a hybrid, and this is 1 gram. Now, looking at this, it's an isoterp dab. Again, if you have any questions on this, you can scan and you'll learn way more about it. Some of the, let's see what it says here. All right, perfect. So they're 99% CBD isolate with natural terpenes in here. So Let's open it up. I think it's actually called grapefruit Romulan. So forgive me for back then. I actually pronounced that wrong. Let's go. All right, full spectrum dabs. I want to smell. Whoa. Yo, take a look at that. Oh my God. I honestly just want to like eat all of this. It smells so good. Oh man. I wasn't expecting this pungent of a grapefruit smell, but it's also not just like a, it's oh my God. It's almost like a bubble gum type grapefruit smell. Like it really, really smells like candy or something. I can't wait to actually dab this with the rig and really see what it's about. Scoot this over there. We've got our 2 bath bombs, and these bath bombs smell heavenly. I'm gonna pull one out here. They're all natural, full spectrum. Again, the code is here on the side, so you can actually check everything out if you like. And oh my God, it smells so good. Oh man, look at that. And then let me get the other one out so that way you can just take a look at both of them. They're different colors and they've got different intentions set behind both of them. One is more for energy, another one is for relaxation. So I wonder if you'd like mix them together, it'd be like a hybrid bath, right? I'm not really good with the jokes all the time, but you know, bear with me. Oh. Now, I can't really tell which one I like better, but they're both such distinct but pleasureful flavors. Pleasureful scents that oh man, this makes me want to just like cut and go jump in the bathtub right now. Oh. La 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 la. Cool. And also, one thing about bath bombs is you can tell that these are fresh and that they're not cracking. There's not particles moving around when you move these around. It's just, they really take care of their products, and this is fresh. You can definitely tell this is fresh. Now, who doesn't love a gummy? I kind of want to taste the fruit slice. Let's do this. They smell so good, too. It's like almost like, oh, man. And it's not like overwhelming either. I mean, well, of course it wouldn't be overwhelming, but. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Okay. Oh. Justin wants some too. Ow. Okay, now the recommended servings is 1 gummy every 6 hours. Ah, these taste so good. I love these. Okay, let's close this up. So that was awesome. I really want to thank Crystal Creek Organics. You guys are wonderful. You're always giving quality products, and I just, you know, I can't say how grateful I am. Again, we will be shooting again with these items, and you will be able to see a demo with these here. And I actually have a pin from Crystal Creek Organics from our last video. You can check that out, and I'll be using that to demo these cartridges right here. And also, I'll be able to come back with a review on these bath bombs because this is just too nice, and they're so wonderful. And then we've got our isoterp dabs. I cannot say how much I am excited about these dabs. Again, we're looking for a rig. If anyone is actually in the market and actually has some available, we'd love to actually chat and actually see if we could get some over here so that way we could demo those as well and collaborate. Again, this is Dante. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your granny, because there's always something to learn here at the Dante Report. And again, remember, smoke weed every day.